G'day legends, we're back at you with another video. In this episode we're going to be installing a 345 diff into my SS, which is parked behind this white one here. So we're going with full poly bushings by Super Pro. So right now we're just trying to bash out the old ones here. Stick around, so hopefully it's an interesting episode. I reckon we might be getting stuck with these old bushings trying to remove them, but we'll see how we go. I've just put some heat on this bushing, and I'm just going to try and bash it out. Hopefully not a difficult job, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, big screwdriver. First bushing out, we're going to install the first one. Alright, so we've just removed all of the old bushings out of the diff. We've already installed one of these, so it's actually quite easier to just put the new bushings in. Now we're just giving it a clean and we're going to install the rest of the poly bushings. And we're going to get the old diff out and swap this one in. Alright, we're now jacking up the car to remove the old diff. First we'll have to take out this DPE exhaust. Easy. Go down. Section of the exhaust is out. Now we can start disassembling the diff out of the car. Alright, new diff is installed.
Down on the jack.
Alright, so we have the new diff in with the diff bushes. So now we're just about to fit the exhaust back on and put the wheels back on, and then we'll be finished. Easy. The exhaust is now refitted. Putting on these racecraft mufflers back on. Fitment.
Dog shit. A dog shit.
Do you recommend this product?
No.
Yeah, VE Series 2 fitment is very difficult. Alright lads, so I'm back at home now. Couldn't really film much because it was sort of difficult to have the camera going at the same time, but let me tell you, this 345 diff with a 3600 stall is the most fun you can have in an auto car. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I'll have more content for you soon, so thank you.